Hey, this is day 3 of 100 days. 100 business ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. This one's for the gamers, the techies, the night owls who live on Discord. Start building and selling custom Discord servers. Now wait, before you scroll, hear me out. Every creator, brand, community, crypto group, coaching program, they all want Discord servers. But you know what they don't want? To actually set them up. They don't know how to add bots. They don't know how to structure channels. They don't even know how to set up roles or permissions properly. You've been doing this for fun since middle school. Turn that into cash. Build 2 to 3 templates. One for a gaming clan, one for a fan club, one for a paid private community. Make it clean, branded, and well organized. Then offer it on Reddit, Discord forums, Twitter, Fiverr. Post screenshots. Show off your bot integrations. Here's what people charge right now. $25 for a basic setup. $75 plus for custom branding, automods, ticket bots, and more. Some people even charge $150 if the client wants help managing the community afterward. And here's the crazy part. Once you build a template, you can reuse it with minor tweaks. You're literally building once and selling again and again. I've seen teenagers make $2,000 a month doing this. No ads, no office, just their laptop, Discord skills, and hustle. If you're already spending hours on Discord every week, you might as well let it pay you. For more ideas, please subscribe and comment. See you next time.